everyone. Melissa here, your go-to gal for creative problem solving. Today, I've got a story that's sure to tickle your funny bone and maybe even inspire a little ingenuity in your own life. So picture this. It's the dead of winter. I'm not talking about those mild winters where a scarf is optional. No. I mean the kind of winter where stepping outside feels like you've entered a freezer set to Arctic blast. We're talking temperatures that make you question your life choices. Now, let's add a little twist. Money's tighter than my favorite pair of jeans after the holidays, and I'm without transportation. So when my pipes decided to freeze solid, I knew I had to get creative. I mean, who needs a plumber when you've got a brain and a knack for solving problems, right? First, I tried the obvious. A space heater in the laundry room seemed like a solid plan. 3 days later, it was clear the only thing warming up was my electric bill. But hey, you live and learn. Then, inspiration struck. I remembered I had a heating element from an old 3-pot crockpot that was just gathering dust. Why not put it to use? So, I MacGyvered that bad boy right onto my pipes. And guess what? Within an hour, we had running water again. So there you have it, one woman's journey from frozen pipes to flowing water. All thanks to a little creativity and a lot of humor. Now it's your turn. Share your own quirky solutions in the comments below. Let's keep this fun train rolling. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, when life gives you frozen pipes, sometimes all you need is a crock pot and a little imagination.